Hey you guys, back with another video. Today I'm making pancakes for breakfast. I just had taste. I haven't had pancakes in so long. So when I was going to my cabinet, I said, okay, I remember I had bought this pancake mix. So, okay. So yeah, that's what I'm making me. Buttermilk pancakes. This is my little batter I made up. And when you do this, whatever your consistency, how you like your batter. I like mine that's like a little thick. Okay, so yeah, I just open up this box. Okay, and there's my pancakes. And when it's almost time to flip them, you guys, when you start to see those bubbles in there. Excuse me. And sometimes I like to add just a little vanilla to my pancake mix. Tastes yummy. Okay, you guys. So hold on. Look at that golden brown pancake, you guys. Yeah, that's what I just have taste for. Just me. Some pancakes and some coffee. And here's my butter. Cook my ass with butter. Okay. So hold on, you guys. Okay, here you go, guys. My pancakes are all done. Look at that butter sliding off of here. Got my syrup on here. Get ready to eat. This is all I want. And this gonna be filling because it's like red. So let me get my coffee. And I thank you guys for enjoying me making these pancakes. So I'm finna sit up and watch a little TV. Wash the dishes. Yeah. I like mine with a little onion in. That butter. Alright. I'm gonna taste that vanilla. I thank you guys for watching. And I will be back in another video. Bye bye now.